Hello boss, today we're gonna introduce another legendary. Let's check it out. This truck's model is E22100. It is also a long history classic of-road trucks model, but bigger and stronger. What it can do? No fear of creek. With 1,225mm welding depth, it's never afraid to cross the rainforest environment. Over big slope, with 28 degrees, 36 degree approach and departure angle, it can easily get through any ramp. Durable body. With a double-layer frame of chassis and sturdy suspensions, it can drive smoothly in any bad road. There are too many features I didn't mention, like foldable ladder and foldable seats, etc. Wanna know more details? Contact us. We are Hubei Off-road Special Vehicle, your durable vehicle supplier.